The Clarke CON1200RD SDS Plus hammer drill is ideal for general purpose drilling in stone, masonry, concrete and bricks, as well as wood, steel, ceramics and more. Using the selectable heavy-duty hammer-only mode, it also makes light work of chiseling through bricks and blockwork with an impact power of 5.5 joules. This powerful 230-volt 1200-watt hammer drill features both a lock-on button for continuous drilling and a soft grip handle. It has a no-load speed of 860 RPM and a chiseling impact rate of 4,050 blows per minute. The CON1200RD comes with both an SDS chuck and a 13mm 3-jaw keyed chuck. This powerful tool has a drilling capacity of 42mm in wood, 13mm in metal, and 32mm in masonry. The Clarke CHT579 17-piece SDS Plus drill bit and chisel set makes an ideal companion accessory set for this powerful drill. The CON1200RD also includes a removable and adjustable side handle and comes in a tough molded storage case with 3 TCT drill bits and 2 chisels. It will provide you with many years of reliable service.